Welcome everybody to starting your syllabus day. Woohoo! I know you're excited. I'm excited. We're all excited. Here's how it's going to work. You're going to use your elements and you're just going to build your patterns. We're going to use a box set for an example today because it's everywhere. Technique is how the styling is really built upon and lots of things really. Style and phrasing, just let's not worry about it today. Right now you need to get started with the basics, moving together, leading, following, and the elements. There's not that many, guys. You're going to love this. Walking, side steps, rock actions, and marches. So really it's describing your balance, not timing, not footwork, not styling, just how you're moving on the floor. And these are anything really. Walking is walking, side steps, side steps. I mean, a rock action is just change your mind. So this is some examples right here. And this is just walking, but now some of this is smooth technique.